Hi, I'm Dan and welcome to the Airbrush Garage. Today, I'm going to be showing you a concept that I like to call airbrush video art. This concept came to me quite a few years ago when I was contracted to do my first portrait. It was kind of a sad story where it was a grandmother and her granddaughter, and it was the last picture that they had together before she got really sick. So after every night when I was done painting, I would take a picture of it. Well, at the end of the painting, when I was all done and getting ready to present the painting in a frame to the customer, I decided to take all of those pictures, put them into a video editor, add some music to it. So for contractual reasons, I can't put it here on YouTube. Click the link down below, head on over to the website after you're done watching this video, and look for the video called Clear and Hope. Today, I'm going to be showing you a car hood I did, set to music, as again I call airbrush video art. So enjoy it, leave some comments down below, let me know what you think.